lead ya. Yes, man.
I'm gonna try all 3 of them one time. Hold on, I wonder if you can see it. All 3 of them. Alright, come in. So it's not a baby food. When you mix them on a baby food, a food for serial killer. If you feed this, all 3 of them one time to your picnic at a very young age, yeah, I grew up to become a serial killer. Serial killer, holy hell. Hello everybody. When I look in a mic, when I look in a camera. I want everybody, welcome back to another episode of Kevin Tries for the first time. Yeah, I know. I've been missing for so long, and I probably think say Corona gone with me. No, I'm here. And I probably want to know when I bring back food now. It's a little bump. A quarantine bump. I swear, every time I go try and make a video, like, the place just get overly trafficked. But don't worry about that. What we will be trying today for the very first time is baby food. And I'm gonna say to me,
Kevin, you never eat baby food when you did a baby.
no, I mean, no one gonna say, Kevin, I must lie here tell. You have to eat baby food when you're a baby. I said no, you don't believe me. Cool. That is why, before the video, I made sure to call my mama. The person who brought me into this world. She must know if me did get baby food or not. Seeing that, me couldn't remember. She must know. I say when me did a baby, me never used to get like the baby, you know, the little baby food them in I can. Yeah, like Gerber and them thing them. I never used to get them something there.
No, I mean, I work in a baby food magazine, Kevin Tanya. Kevin say when you never give him Gerber. No, sir, I never give Gerber.
Oh, just breast milk and any other food.
Just breast milk, you never been porridge neither. Just breast milk and porridge and the tin feed them we give. Who's the other drink? Who's the porridge? Milo.
Okay, cause me just not try to see it. We are gonna make one video and try baby food, so I do want to know if it's something when we have before or not. So as you can see or hear, I didn't get any baby food. It was just breast milk, Milo, like a bush tea, them something there. You know what I mean? Maybe like baby food in a tin, but not the one that we are gonna try right now. But you can see it, I get three of them. Cause you know, probably if I did one, I would have just try and go too fast. So I try 3 different baby food today. I feel like I go try the one that I think tastes worse first. Them did have a whole heap of different one in the supermarket. That one there just appealed to me because it's a gaga, you know. See it there? It's a gaga. I said to myself, marketing. Because you know when baby I try to talk, they say gaga. You know, they take you off, I take goo gaga. So I say, marketing. Them know what them a do. Me I go work with for them brand. I could have go with Gerber, but baby don't really say it. Baby say Gerber. Baby not say that. So I go with Gaga. I could give Gaga a try. I try prune puree first. You can't open it. Am I supposed to push this? Alright, see there. Bop. That's how you look. In terms of the smell, you don't really smell no way. I guess it smell like how prune's supposed to smell, but I never ate prune yet. So I don't really know. So we are going with a little baby looking spoon for a nice big wallop or dollop as they would call it. Baby said Gerber. I go back for a second try, then me tell you what I go on. Baby said Gerber. Surprisingly, it not taste as bad as me did expect if it tastes. It's a little bit sweet, not overly sweet, but I guess it's at the right amount of sweetness for a baby. One out of 2 things is either the baby taste buds, since they're brand new to the world, them are extremely heightened, or since I'm brand new to the world, them are gonna need some fine tuning. So taste is not really top priority. Either way, it fit in for your baby taste, but the consistency would have been like porridge, except I don't want grainy porridge. That wouldn't be the best description, but it's smooth like fine. What would I say? Jelly. A jelly, I don't want a jam. Jelly. A jelly? I don't know. So the one I didn't expect to taste the worst. Taste alright. You know? Wouldn't go crazy over it because I'm not a baby.
Okay.
We'll go try the next one. This time we are go for the... Oh wait there. We are go for the banana. Alright, goddamn. See banana there. Time to go in. Yo, it kind of disorienting whenever me I record and me I hear noise. It threw me off. On radio I play bike and carrot. So we are going in here now. You know, bad again, you know. But one more. Maybe go in one more time. Consistency are the same. In terms of taste, I don't too know if it tastes like banana for real. It tastes more like apple.
Dog, some of them there.
I don't know if it tastes like the aftertaste where you give after you swallow it, you have like this appleish taste.
Some of them there.
You know, bad, but I expect more of a banana flavor. Actual banana flavor than apple flavor.
Some of them there.
On to the final one, carrot orange. So that's a 2-in-1 right there. So I am getting a hint of orange. Now pick up the carrot. Alright. Now la belch too.
Burpee baby, burpee baby.
I go in. Big gallop, wallop.
Baby say gerba.
But definitely I get the orange flavor from it. Not necessarily pick up on the carrot too much. Even I get like the rind from orange. But even I get that. Me even. Why me say me even? One more time. I see like it have some little bits in it too. Maybe I like orange peel.
Burpee baby, burpee baby.
Not bad at all. Alright, out of the three of them, this might be the best one. So if me have a ranking in terms of who come first, orange come first, prune, surprisingly, second place, banana, third place. Banana you drop out because it tastes more like apple than actual banana.
Some of them there.
Something else when me forget to tell you know, you have the you see consistency where you have a something where if you probably eat it too fast and you're not familiar with it, you throw up. Or maybe even eat it too slow. You have to eat it at the right pace for you not throw up. Looks like I have successfully completed this. I honestly did expect all of them to just tasteless. It's either me eat the right baby food, forget the good taste, and not the wrong baby food, forget the mess up taste. Cause you know what I see YouTubers them.
Yeah, me see YouTubers. Yeah, it's crazy come here about YouTubers.
I see other YouTubers do this and you know them go out, they will leave an extraness. Come on man, left the extraness to me. Leave it to me. But it not taste as bad. Surprisingly, it not taste as bad. Being as old as I am, I try baby food for the first time. I want to share another moment there with me. Who don't know feel special? Who don't know feel special? I'm going to try for the more of them food because I kind of free up my hand in terms of like editing for the reaction channel. So me have some time now for kind of, you know, relax and edit them type of video here when I take as much energy. Let me know in the comment section if you never tried baby food before. If you don't like it. Maybe I have to go revisit this and try it. Because I have a whole heap of different flavors. So maybe I have to go try some other flavors. But we'll move on to the next Kevin tries for the first time. Yes, see! To big up on yourself and make sure you say everything you get on the stay corona free. Yeah man. Alright, look more. Baby say gerba 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 gerba.